Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a free empty house clean with me. So the boys are sleeping over at my mother-in-law's house and I'm on my own. And as you can see, it is so quiet this morning. I got up at like 7:30 because I've forgotten how to lie in and I just wanted to have a clean. Last night, me and Clint had a really good night. As you can see, there's just mess everywhere where we just had a good night in with lots of food and drink. So the first thing I need to do is have a little sweep over and tidy everything away. I'm going to hoover up these crumbs. I'm going to wipe down the tray in here, and really the living room needs my full attention first because this is where we spent our evening. If anyone else has a little poof like this with these buttonholes, it is so satisfying doing this. Seeing as the kids aren't here, I might as well make the most of it, light the big candle, get it nice and cozy in here. I'm going to tidy up all of the blankets here in this basket. This is our favourite place for our cat to sleep, so it gets a bit messed up. I'm just going to tidy it up a little bit. I'm also going to clean the sofa quickly. I'm going to start by just hoovering down the cushions and vacuuming up all of the mess and all of the crumbs that have gathered on here since, oh my goodness, a while. As you can see, there is a lot under here. It's obviously been far too long since I've done this, so I'm going to make sure I do it thoroughly. Next up, I'm going to wipe down the little side table here, just using a flash spray and a cloth. It gets quite dusty on here, and I haven't done this for a little while, so I did get quite a substantial amount of dust off this table. And I want to vacuum the hard floors in here. There's just crumbs everywhere. Me and Clint were obviously being absolute pigs last night and the floor was filthy, so I really wanted to go over the floors before I did anything else. Okay, moving into the kitchen, and a similar sort of scene going on in here. I just left everything last night and went to bed and just made the most of having a really relaxed evening. It was lovely, but yeah, I'm looking forward to getting the house in order today before my babies come back this afternoon. I'm going to tidy up all of the mess here, put all of these dirty dishes in the dishwasher so I can wipe down the sides. Before I do that though, I've got to empty the bin. It's pretty much as full as it could be. I've really been leaving it and procrastinating, but I am emptying it today and I'm going to clean it. I'm just going to spray down the inside of the bin before I put in the new bag, and I'm just going to wipe down the outsides as well. I like to keep the bin clean to stop it from smelling and being gross. But in goes the new bag. Okay, bin is fresh and empty. I'm going to take that out so that it's not in the house, and then I can get on with cleaning the kitchen. I'm going to wipe down all the sides. I'm going to get a clean cloth because obviously I've just used that cloth to clean the bin. So this is the Flash Bicarb Soda Spray, which is officially my new favourite surface spray. I love it. It smells amazing and it's nice and foamy, which makes it feel like I'm cleaning really thoroughly. But yeah, I'm just using it to wipe down all of the sides and get off any mess that has accumulated over the past couple of days. I'll also just quickly give my chopping board a good clean. I have to make sure I keep this as sanitary and clean as possible for obvious reasons. So I'm just going to let it dry up there. I'm also just going to do the extractor fan because I haven't done this for a little while. I've taken out the inserts and put them in the dishwasher, and I'll do the rest by hand. Honestly, I hate this extractor fan. It's ugly and it just collects grime. The sooner it goes, the better. Next up, onto the boys' toys side unit. I'm going to clear it so that I can give it a good thorough dust using the bicarb spray again and a clean cloth. I'm just going to wipe over and make sure I've got off all of the dust. And I'm just going to repeat the process on the dining table, which is surprisingly clean because obviously the boys did not have dinner here or breakfast. So it's actually cleaner than I usually have to do. Okay, onto laundry now. I put on this laundry last night and obviously we had a good child-free evening and I forgot about it. So I need to take it out. I need to put bits in the tumble dryer and hang up the rest to air dry, but I'm really regretting not getting it out last night. I hate leaving washing in there. You know, you get that like stale smell, so I'm going to put a dryer sheet in the dryer to hopefully get rid of that and let the rest air dry. I'm going to crack the window to let in some fresh air and hopefully the washing will smell fresh once it's dry. But yeah, my bad for leaving the load in there last night.
Anyway, right, get back. That's me, yeah?
Okay, so I'm getting really hungry now for breakfast. It's about 9 a.m. I think, but I'm just going to super quick wipe down the downstairs toilet before the boys come back. That was the last thing I wanted to do. Pop some toilet gel in there, pop a new Febreze bathroom freshener in there, and then I can eat. I'm going to get myself some Special K. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to catch up with my program before my babies come back home. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in my next one.